Hey guys, it's KK back with another hair review. This is going to be my initial reaction to this 613 wig that I got from Ossilee Hair. Okay, so my hair just got here. It came in FedEx bag. This is the pouch that it came in with Ossilee Hair. Here is this is a 26-inch 613 body wave wig. Okay, this bitch is giving Goldilocks right now. But yeah. Out of all that, one strand. A look at the lace. This is another 5x5. It's constructed the same way. Has the straps as well. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with it. But I know I'm about to go braid my hair down, and I guess I'll just update y'all. So I went ahead and braided my hair. I'm gonna just use one of these. I wanted to try, I've seen people using like the pantyhose, and it seems to work a lot better. But I don't feel like going to the store right now, so we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna hit it with the OG. So I used the box dye Simply Color in the shade Light Golden Blonde. I used 2 boxes, but I could have used 3 just to make sure that my hair was fully saturated or whatever. But you know, live and learn, fake it till you make it. That's my motto. Some details on the hair. This is a 613 wig. It's a 5x5 closure and 250% density. Did I say 26 inches? Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's the details on the wig. Shipping, I ordered on the 5th and I received my hair on the 26th. The processing took a while. I actually reached out to them and she emailed me or whatever. And then 2 days later, I had got my shipment details or whatever. So the pricing point for this wig, it was $258. I don't feel like that was bad at all. Like, I feel like their hair is on the cheaper side as far as costs go. And yeah. So my initial review, I've wore this hair for a couple of days and I kept it installed. Like, I kept my wig on and I just slept with a bonnet on. So I think it's pretty good. The hair is very soft. It took color very well. The only thing is it does shed like a little bit when you brush through it. But I mean, that's normal, like, to be honest. It's not like not gonna shed. It's 613 hair. But the lace was all right. You feel me? I feel like the lace could have been a little better, or maybe it was just my application. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see how I feel about it the second time I install it. But all in all, I really like this hair for a body wave wig. It does get bone straight. And I also ended up curling it, and it does curl very well. Like, it holds a curl. I like it. It stays nice and fluffy. I have a video on that because I have a new curling iron, the T3, and I love it. See, this right here is a clip of how much shedding I got after I installed the hair and styled it, which was not bad at all. I also don't know if I mentioned, I ordered from their website, but they also have a store on AliExpress. But yeah, Ossilee, I give them a 9.5 out of 10 because, you know, the shipping was a little slow, but, you know, I look good. I did that. Y'all subscribe to my channel and thanks so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. And say hi, Poo-Poo.